Hello everyone, I'm Fiona. In this video, we demonstrate the process of a CNC cutting machine, cutting a small gear with a diameter of 150 millimeters. Below are some advantages of the CNC cutting machine. Product consistency. Multiple electric heating wires can be cut at the same time, improving cutting efficiency. The automation characteristics of the CNC cutting machine help to ensure the quality and consistency of the products. Material saving. Moreover, the CNC cutting machine can optimize material utilization to the maximum extent according to design requirements, reduce waste generation, and save costs. Next, let's continue to watch the cutting process. For more information about the EPS machine and EPS mold, please contact us by email or mobile phone. We will be happy to answer your questions.